Math Made Easy with Mathema Ways. Welcome back to our math drill. So we're currently on number 71 now. So I'll be having here 5 examples with our rational expressions and how you simplify it using our choices and of course factory. Okay. So I'll give some techniques on how you can easily find the answer for simplifying our expressions. Okay. So let's have the first one. 6x cubed minus 12x over 24x squared. So again, we have different ways on how you can simplify this or to find your answer on the choices that we have. Okay, so let's do factoring first since we have a common factor for our numerator and denominator. So of course, kapag isa lang po yung ating fraction, we only have one fraction, simple fraction that we have. So we use factoring na lang. So we'll have here common factor for 6x cubed and negative 12x will be 6x. Okay, so we'll have x squared minus 2. Okay, so just divide your greatest common factor with the terms that you have on your numerator. 6x cubed divided by 6x, that is x squared, and then negative 12x divided by 6x, that is negative 2. All over, we have 24x squared. So we can simplify our 6 and 24. We can change that into 1 and 4. Then our x, and then here will be just x. Cancel out the x on your numerator, and you will have 1x on your denominator. So we'll have x squared minus 2 all over 4. So answer for 71, we have letter B, x squared minus 2 over 4x. Okay. And so like I said, we can also use our choices to easily find our answer. So you can set po yung ating value of x. For example, you can set your x to 1. Okay, so at x is equal to 1, solve the given by substituting the value of x. So we have 6 times 1 cubed minus 12 times 1 all over 24 times 1 squared. So we'll have here 6 times 1, 6 minus 12 over 24. So we'll have 6 minus 12, that is negative 6 over 24. So we can simplify this into negative 1/4. Okay, so it means the value of 6x cubed minus 12x over 24x squared at x is equal to 1 is negative 1/4. Okay, so you have to try it on our choices. For example, at A, you also need to set our x there as equal to 1. So we'll have here 1 squared, that is 1 plus 2 over 4 times 1. So this one will be equal to 3/4. Okay, so it should be equal with the value that we got here. So 3/4, so not letter A. So for letter B, let's try. It should be equal to negative 1/4 because if it's not, it means our factoring and our cancellation here is wrong. Okay, so let's try muna. We'll have 1 squared, so that is 1 minus 2 over 4 times 1. So 1 minus 2 is negative 1 over 4. Yan. Negative 1/4. Ayan. It should be the same. Okay, so kapag nag-set tayo ng value of our variable and then we evaluate it dun sa ating given, when we evaluate it dun sa choices natin, it should be the same. Since this is just simplification, so it means they should have an equivalent fraction. Okay, they are equivalent. So dapat equal yung value po nila. Okay, next, 72. Simplify for AB squared minus B squared all over 8A squared plus 2A minus 1. Ayan. So for this one, I suggest to use that. Okay, setting our value for our variable A and B. So for example, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. So as you can see, notice, laging 1 yung ginagamit ko since para mas mababa yung value natin, mas madali po siyang isolve. Unlike na kapag gumamit tayo ng mas mataas na value, so there is more chance na magkamali tayo on our solving, on our solution part. So, let's try evaluating this. So, we'll have 4 times 1 times 1 squared minus 1 squared all over 8A squared plus 2a minus 1. So 4 minus 1 all over 8 plus 2 minus 1. So we got here 3 over 9, or that is equal to 1/3. Okay, so let's go with our choices. So again, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. So we'll have here B squared, that is 1. So 2 times 1 plus 1. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Ayun. It's the same 1/3. So the answer for number 72, it's letter A, B squared over 2a plus 1. If you'll be trying B, C, and D, that is not equal to 1/3 po. Okay, so for example, on letter B, it's the same lang po with A, but we have a negative here. So it means this is negative 1/3. Okay, so that is not equal to the given rational expression. Same as with B squared over 2a minus 1, we'll have here 1, then 2 minus 1, that is over 1. So this is equal to 1. And since C and D are just the same, this is negative. So the answer here will be negative 1. Ayan. So letter A po talaga yung ating answer. Next, 73. Compute and simplify. So we have here 4x3. And 3 fractions. 4x minus 45 over x minus 9 plus 2x minus 9 over x minus 9 minus 3x plus 1 over x minus 9. Ayan. So if we have 3 fractions that we have to add or subtract, so just to say with the rules of our fraction, they should be similar fraction. Or for our rational expression, dapat to pare-pareho yung terms or yung ating algebraic expression on our denominator. So since pare-pareho po siya x minus 9, we'll be just combining our numerator. And so 4x minus 45 plus 2x minus 9. So since we have a negative here, so it means, or that is minus, we have to inverse the sign of 3x plus 1. It should be negative 3x minus 1. Okay, so simplify our numerator. We have 4x plus 2x. That will be 6x minus 3x. That will be 3x. We get negative 45 minus 9. That is negative 54 minus 1. So that is negative 55 all over x minus 9. Ayan. So our answer for number 73 is 3x minus 55 all over x minus 9. So, pwede nyo din gamitin yung ginawa natin kanina, setting the value of x. Pero since mahaba naman siya and madali naman siya since pare-pareho yung ating denominator. So, combine nyo na lang. So, make sure lang na tama yung pag-add and pag-subtract ng ating terms or yung pag-simplify po. Okay, another one, 74. We have 5a over ab cubed plus 2a over ab cubed. Ayan, so same ulit siya. So again, kapag same yung ating denominator, just combine your numerator. So 5a plus 2a, that will be 7a over ab cubed. Okay? But since we have a common variable on your numerator and denominator, that will be canceled out. So we'll have here 7 over b cubed. Okay, so answer for number 74, that will be letter A, 7 over b cubed. Okay, next. 3 minus 2x all over x plus 2 multiplied with x minus 1 minus 2 minus x all over x minus 1 times x plus 2. Okay, so again, kahit po iba ng position yung ating x plus 2 on our denominator, still that is similar fraction pa din po. Okay, similar rational expression on our denominator since that is in multiplication naman. So, pwede siya mag-change ng places. So, we'll have here x plus 2, x minus 1. So, 3 minus 2x. So, again, this is minus. So, you have to inverse the operation here. We'll have negative 2 plus x. Okay, simplify. We got 3 minus 2, that is 1. And negative 2x plus x, that is negative x all over x plus 2 multiplied with x minus 1. Okay, but as you can see here, wala po tayong 1 minus x all over x plus 2 times x minus 1 because we can factor out the negative here. so that you will have a common terms on your denominator. So this one can also be written with x minus 1. Okay, so again, pag nirate po natin yung negative parenthesis x minus 1, that is also negative x plus 1, which is just the same with 1 minus x all over x plus 2 multiplied with x minus 1. Okay, so canceling this, you will have negative 1 over x plus 2. So answer for number 75, that will be letter D, negative 1 over x plus 2. Ayan. So again, you can apply po yung setting the value of our variables with a value, and then substitute lang po natin siya dun sa choices. Okay? Pero kung kaya nyo po siyang isolve, especially nga kapag we have same denominator, madali naman siya. So, yun na lang po yung gawin natin. But it depends on you. Pwede din naman natin siyang i-check by setting values po of our variable. Then, mag-set kayo ng value dito, and then substitute po natin dito sa letter D. If they have the same answer, so correct po yung answer natin. Ayan, so that's all for our rational expression for now. So later on, maybe I will be uploading another set of math deals. Thank you so much for listening.